So they are making a distinction between push factors and pull factors. What pushes you out of a company versus what pulls you into a new company. So I think that's really interesting. What do you think? What do you guys think? Are you pulled by any of these? Or are you pushed by any of these? One of these is jumping out at me. Actually, no, I say that. Two of these are jumping out at me. I won't tell you which ones because I don't want to bias the conversation. But two of these, one of the pushes and one of the pulls is jumping out at me. Rohan says, agree with Patrick. Yeah, I think most of us agree with Patrick, you know. I think all of us are, you know, kind of seeing that trend the same way. You know, work from home may very well be over. At the very least, this survey tells you that it makes you less competitive in the marketplace, right? I mean, that's clear. So what do you guys think about the push and pull factors?